Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Motorola G4 Plus. Any of them, it works for almost all of them. So before we go do that, let's first of all power it off. Yeah. So but before we continue, please, I have a request. My request is this: I'm in a race to 1 million subscribers and your help is needed. Please, currently at 72. What you can do for me is just below your screen, you will see that by the right hand side of the screen, you will see that red subscribe button. Please help me click on that, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell as well. So let's get started. Hold down the power button and then the volume down and the power button together. So we're here now. So what you have to do is to use either the volume down or volume up. Go look for recovery mode. Then after that, use the power button to select. So once we are here, just wait for a while. So what you have to do now is to hold down the power button and then press the volume up and remove your fingers. Volume down, volume up. Let's do it again. Volume down and then volume up. Yeah, here we go. So what you have to do now is to use your power button and select that reboot system now. So let's do it. Power button. Here we go. Let's wait.
Hello, Moto.
Here we go. We're in. So guys, this is how to hard reset your Motorola G4 Plus and many of them as well. So thanks for watching, and please do hit on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified and check it out. Thanks and God bless. See you in my next video.